How you doing? How you doing, sir? No, I ain't moving nowhere, dog. I'm standing right where I am. Cause see, I'm from around here. How you doing, Rev? What's your mission here today? You supposed to preach? What you gonna preach about, sir?
Jesus. So what do you preach about in church?
I don't know. Y'all preach about money. Y'all preach about a lot of things in church.
About the what?
The captives, the mass incarceration, the low.
They preach about mass incarceration.
And I'm asking, I talk about it.
How much money you getting paid to preach today, Al?
All kinds of things. We just got
Oh, don't touch people. Don't touch people.
You don't know me.
We don't touch nobody.
I'm talking about skinning the guy. I'm talking about coming to a conference. I'm talking about women.
Let it get my word.
Come on, I'm listening, Al.
All right. We just got 5 guys to do this.
I got down there 200-some-thousand black young men across the United States.
So
You should be doing more than I got more than 5. I got 10 of them out.
With the younger men.
Why you so long? If you don't feel like that, I think we have in Baltimore. If you don't feel like that, you think we having in Baltimore is for the things that we talking about. I'm in the but this is unified guys, my name's PFK Boom, okay? Gave on another guy. My name's PFK Boom, okay? I'm running the deal with mass incarceration in Baltimore. I deal with life wages in Baltimore. And as well as I deal with the things for Freddie Gray and Tyrone West and many other social ills. 5 men is unacceptable in our city. That's not a resume politics. I run an all extra-offender organization that reforms legislation that hinders us offenders like voting rights. We got the legislation. No, I said it's 5 guys, man. This is what I'm going to say to you. Come on, man. So if we have dealt with what it does right now, it shows you how to operate in Baltimore, okay? First of all.
I'm not operating in Baltimore.
That's the problem. That's the problem.
But I ain't trying to operate in Baltimore. I'm asking you.
Why you bringing up a speech to me? You preaching in Baltimore, but you're not here.
How much you get paid to preach today?
I might want to
Such
support
a
your operation.
My operation, I'm 300. I'm the co-founder of 300 Gangstas first. Okay, we first of all specialize in police brutality. So first of all, that is that when you jump on a police, so police jump on something around here, we jumps on that ass first. So I need you to get my ass up when I fuck a police up for jumping on somebody out here first. I mean literally bam. And secondly, for real, we have a
And the money.
yeah, the money you need bail money to get my ass up.
Okay.
We need
I'm trying to understand what I'm agreeing.
Secondly, I need you to actually get more on top of the mass incarceration and justice. Because all black is not black in Baltimore.
Absolutely.
All the politicians, like up at the top, they are not what they are on the ground nowhere in the United States. But in Baltimore,
Carrying on Jim Crow justice with black faces, dog.
Report just reported, as well as we need a consent. When you need a consent.
Why you gonna consign me to kick my ass?
The way I don't like about it with the elders about black situation, see, y'all, a lot like they moving too much forward, but I have pain that typically came because of ills and murders and injustice. They locked me up for a murder that I didn't do. Had me on the America's Most Wanted and all of that. I've been on 20 years. And guess what? How hard, you know, there's millions of me out here. I've been on 20, you know how hard it is to have a murder on your record to Google me now. And not just me, I'm talking about millions in this city. I'm just a one who can speak because I have not been beat up or police at my house and none of that slick stuff they do when you try to speak up here. When you see a black person,
That's why I stopped here.
Say, Al, this is what I need, Al. I need you for real to stop the bourgeoisie amongst. Not saying you, brother. I'm saying you. When I say you, when you shake hands and take bloody hands in the cities of people amongst cities that the bottom don't deal with, then that gives you a better
I don't know who I shake hands with bloody hands.
But brother, the whole network fucked up. I'm talking about the whole black establishment from your age on up, brother. Like right on the ground.
First of all, what do you respond to that? Come on. The elders on up that I deal with come out like you did.
Where they at?
Well, I don't know.
No, you're talking about 19. I'm talking about today, man. I'm talking about now. Sit 30 graders. Give me, I need sit 30 graders. What else? Sit 30 graders now.
What did I do with grade? What you talking about? I didn't deal with that.
Exactly. That's the problem.
That is your problem.
That's my
Ho. Freddie Gray ain't just our problem, cuz killing black people across America is all our problem.
Who I shook hands with?
Hey, Al.
Who did I shake hands with?
Hey, Al,
Who
your
did I
whole
shake hands with?
establishment, bro.
What whole establishment?
The whole movement that you know why I say it's a piece of shit? Because everything you said, you supposed to be the black leader of these people.
What black
Now,
leader?
hear me out. What are you talking about? Hear me out. I'm telling you what the streets saying, man. I'm trying to help you out, yo. What I'm saying is people look at you as a leader, and you're telling me that you don't know nothing about my city, but you might go in there
I
and
didn't
speak
say
the word.
that. I said
You said you ain't no
I
dealings
asked you
with
a
it.
specific question. Who did you say I shook hands with?
Donald Trump.
I didn't shake hands with Donald Trump.
I got a picture of you shaking hands with Donald Trump.
Trump came to Mike Tyson fight in '86.
Dog, I see y'all at the media awards and y'all be shaking hands and drinking and shit. For real, for real.
He was supporting.
Man, see what I'm saying?
Alright.
Right now. If you're not right then, you're not right now. Like I caught the motherfucking smack charges back in the 80s. We still justifying that charge. What the fuck going on? That's all the right. You were real on the ground. Right. On the ground, no right.
Charges, you say, right?
Yeah, I got a question.
And I did too.
Then you told, nigga. Talk about it. You're right. Talk about it. I'm done with you, Al. I have no respect for you.
What about
what about this nigga shit? I don't know what you
What about
talk about it here, man.
So we gonna play this
Al, go
game
preach, Al.
that one
Al,
night you want
Bible
to
here.
do
Go to
I don't play the video game. This one, mine is, I want to know how much you getting paid to come here. You ain't getting no money. You remember me from Shiloh Baptist Church?
No.
You don't remember me from Shiloh with you and Martin Luther King Jr.'s family was here?
Martin Luther King Jr.'s family?
Yeah, Martin III. Y'all was
Okay,
yeah.
what about it?
I'm just saying, y'all don't remember?
What about it?
If you don't remember, it ain't nothing about it. We ain't got to talk about it. Because, see, I ain't going to beat you up like that. All I mean is asking how much you getting paid to come here and why are you here? Tell me why. To preach about what?
Just to preach.
To preach about what?
I've been preaching for 400 years.
And how many preaching?
We're in the burning house.
We're going to preach for 400 more. Then, dog, if we're going to preach for 400 more, we're going to stay slaves for 400 more? We're going to stay slaves for 400 more years?
I don't preach slavery. I preach Jesus' liberation.
Jesus' liberation. Where did Jesus come from?
Died with a murderer and a revolver on his head. Where's your murder?
Jesus.
My murder.
400 years, dog. We've been here for 400 years. You need to preach about Garveyism and talk about leaving this place. That's your black leadership, dog. He did give us enough time. He didn't cut and run. At least I give him that. He took the abuse, but he got to take what he takes. He preaching here for what? I want to see Kathleen used.
Well, there you have it, family. Al Sharpton's introduction to Baltimore City. But he been here before. And that guy that he was talking to, the one that had the shades on, the one was holding the phone, his name is, he's called PFK Boom. He's a young black man that got wrongfully committed of a murder a few years back. But he said he'd been home for 20 years. So now he's kind of like an advocate for you know, the young black youth that's catching hell from the police today. Yeah, and trying to stand up for, you know, people that's been wrongfully accused and locked up and beat down by the police or even shot by the police. You heard him mention Freddie Gray. He asked Al Sharpton about Freddie Gray. He's like, I wasn't at no Freddie Gray. And my man said, that's the problem. So yeah, Al Sharpton had a nice time. I wonder what his speech was about in that church after that. Yeah. Well, I just wanted to share that with y'all, man. Peace.